Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about how ChatGPT can help you grow your business. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need to be agile and innovative to stay ahead of the competition. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can assist your business in several ways. Whether you want to improve your customer service, increase sales, or create personalized marketing campaigns, ChatGPT has got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the different ways in which ChatGPT can help you achieve your business goals. We'll delve deep into each of the 5 areas where ChatGPT can assist your business and provide you with actionable tips and strategies to get the most out of this powerful tool. So, let's get started. 1. ChatGPT and customer service. Customer service is a critical component of any business. In today's digital age, customers expect instant responses to their inquiries, questions, and concerns. If you fail to meet their expectations, they'll quickly move on to your competitors. This is where ChatGPT can help you. With its advanced natural language processing (NLP) capabilities, ChatGPT can provide your customers with instant responses to their queries. You can use ChatGPT to create chatbots that can handle simple customer queries and redirect complex queries to your human customer service team. ChatGPT chatbots can work 24/7, allowing you to provide round-the-clock support to your customers. They can also handle multiple customer queries simultaneously, reducing the workload on your customer service team. This, in turn, will result in faster response times, increased customer satisfaction, and higher retention rates. To get the most out of ChatGPT chatbots, you'll need to ensure that they're properly trained. You'll need to provide them with a comprehensive list of frequently asked questions, FAQs, and their corresponding answers. You also need to set up a feedback mechanism to ensure that your chatbots are providing accurate and helpful responses to your customers. 2. ChatGPT and marketing. Marketing is all about reaching your target audience with the right message at the right time. In today's crowded marketplace, it's becoming increasingly challenging to cut through the noise and grab your audience's attention. This is where ChatGPT can help you. With its advanced NLP capabilities, ChatGPT can analyze your customer data to identify their preferences, behaviors, and buying patterns. This data can then be used to create personalized marketing messages and campaigns that resonate with your audience. ChatGPT can help you create compelling content that speaks to your audience's needs and pain points. You can use ChatGPT to generate social media posts, blog articles, and email newsletters that are tailored to your audience's interests. To get the most out of ChatGPT marketing, you'll need to ensure that your customer data is accurate and up-to-date. You'll also need to set up a feedback mechanism to ensure that your marketing messages are resonating with your audience. 3. ChatGPT and sales. Sales are the lifeblood of any business. Without sales, your business will struggle to survive. In today's competitive marketplace, businesses need to be innovative and agile to stay ahead of the competition. This is where ChatGPT can help you. With its advanced NLP capabilities, ChatGPT can assist in sales by answering customer queries and providing recommendations on products or services. This, in turn, will result in higher sales conversions and increased revenue. ChatGPT can also help you with lead generation. You can use ChatGPT to generate leads by offering free consultations or product demos. ChatGPT can also follow up with leads to ensure that they're moving through the sales funnel. To get the most out of ChatGPT sales, you'll need to ensure that your sales team is properly trained to handle the increased volume of sales. Your sales team will need to be familiar with the information provided by ChatGPT and be able to provide additional information to customers as needed. Additionally, you'll need to set up a feedback mechanism to ensure that ChatGPT is providing accurate and helpful recommendations to your customers. 4. ChatGPT and customer insights. Understanding your customers is critical to the success of any business. By analyzing your customer data, you can gain insights into their preferences, behaviors, and buying patterns. This information can then be used to tailor your business strategy to meet their needs more effectively. This is where ChatGPT can help you. With its advanced NLP capabilities, ChatGPT can analyze your customer data and provide insights into their preferences and trends. You can use ChatGPT to identify patterns in customer behavior, such as which products are popular and which products are not selling well. ChatGPT can also help you with customer segmentation. By dividing your customers into different groups based on their preferences and behaviors, you can create targeted marketing messages and campaigns that resonate with each group. To get the most out of ChatGPT customer insights, you'll need to ensure that your customer data is accurate and up-to-date. You also need to set up a feedback mechanism to ensure that ChatGPT is providing accurate and helpful insights into your customers. 5. ChatGPT and content creation. Content creation is essential for building brand awareness and engaging with your audience. However, creating high-quality content can be time-consuming and expensive. This is where ChatGPT can help you. With its advanced NLP capabilities, ChatGPT can generate content for your website, blog, or social media channels. You can use ChatGPT to create blog articles, social media posts, and email newsletters that are tailored to your audience's interests. ChatGPT can also help you with content curation. By analyzing your customer data, ChatGPT can identify articles and posts that are relevant to your audience and share them on your social media channels. To get the most out of ChatGPT content creation, you'll need to ensure that your brand voice is consistent across all channels. You also need to set up a feedback mechanism to ensure that the content generated by ChatGPT is high quality and engaging. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help your business grow. Whether you want to improve your customer service, increase sales, or create personalized marketing campaigns, ChatGPT has got you covered. By using ChatGPT to streamline your operations, improve customer satisfaction, and increase revenue, you can achieve sustainable business growth. In this video, we've explored the different ways in which ChatGPT can assist your business. We've provided you with actionable tips and strategies to get the most out of this powerful tool. We hope that you found this guide helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.